Water is an essential resource for human life, but the increasing water pollution in many areas has prompted families to seek out water purifiers as an effective solution. With various technologies available, choosing the right water purifier for your home can be a daunting task. It is crucial to understand the different types of water filtration technologies and select the one that best suits your needs. One popular water filtration technology is reverse osmosis, RO. RO technology uses a semi-permeable membrane to remove contaminants from water. It effectively removes impurities such as bacteria, mercury, lead, and arsenic, which can cause various diseases and even death. By choosing an RO water purifier, you can have peace of mind knowing that harmful substances are being eliminated, and the water you consume is safe for you and your family. Another common technology is nanofiltration, which utilizes activated carbon to purify water. Nano filters are effective in removing chlorine, sediment, and organic compounds, resulting in clean and odor-free water. This technology is known for improving the taste of water and reducing unpleasant odors. Nanofiltration is a suitable choice for households that want to enhance the quality of their drinking water without the need for extensive filtration. Ultrafiltration, UF, technology is another option for obtaining clean and mineral-rich water. UF filters use a fine membrane to eliminate bacteria, viruses, and other microscopic impurities. Unlike other filtration methods, UF technology retains essential minerals present in the water, ensuring that the purified water remains healthy and beneficial for consumption. If you value the presence of minerals in your water, a UF water purifier might be the right choice for your home. When choosing a water purifier for your home, it is essential to consider several factors. Firstly, assess the level of contamination in your water supply and determine the specific contaminants you need to target. Secondly, evaluate the maintenance and replacement costs associated with the purifier. Different systems require varying levels of maintenance and have different filter replacement intervals. It is crucial to select a system that aligns with your budget and ensures consistent and reliable performance. Furthermore, consider the quality of water you desire. If you want water that is odorless, clear, and free from rust stains, ensure that the chosen system meets these criteria. Conduct thorough research, read customer reviews, and compare different models to make an informed decision. Investing in a water purifier system for your home is a proactive step towards ensuring the health and safety of your family. By removing harmful contaminants, you can have confidence in the water you consume and use for various purposes. It is important to select a system that provides the desired level of protection, fits your budget, and offers optimal performance. Water purifiers have become a necessity in today's world, where water pollution is a prevalent issue. Understanding the available technologies and their benefits is crucial when selecting a water purifier for your home. Whether you opt for RO, nanofiltration, or UF technology, prioritize the removal of contaminants, consider the maintenance costs, and ensure the desired water quality. By making an informed decision, you can safeguard the health of your family and enjoy clean and safe water for all your needs. That's the real secret. What you may not realize is just how efficient such a simple innovative system is, as it interested the need of buying expensive bottled water or going through the hassle of drilling a new well. And thanks to this breakthrough technology, you can now literally drink from the enormous lakes in the air. The water is purified and the unique system can produce up to 30 gallons of clean, fresh water a day, and you won't have to worry about all the nasty chemicals ever again. The fundamentals are so easy, and if properly applied, you can have a virtually unlimited water supply anywhere, even if you live in the desert.